Hello guys, welcome to STONKAM Make a Better Vision World Live broadcast. This is Alice and it's quite a pleasure to meet you guys. Hope you enjoy our showcase today. So before we are going to introduce our products today, I'm going to share a few words about STONKAM. Over 19 years, STONKAM has been contributed to manufacturing and design and internet technology and products for all the customers all around the world. With more than 500 employees, including more than 100 senior engineers, we have contributed to provide the safety and reliable products. So let's welcome our colleagues, Rachel, today.
Hi, Alice.
Hi, Rachel.
Thank you so much for your invitation. And very nice to meet you guys. So let's get started.
So Rachel, how many models we have in this wireless kit?
Well, we have 5 cameras in total, but later on I will elaborate 4 of them.
I noticed that in your hand there are 2 cameras, so could you please tell us the camera model firstly?
Of course, so this one is HDW A71 and this one is HDW A73.
Do they have a lot of difference?
No, actually, they just have difference in appearance and the sizes. This one is smaller and this one is bigger, which depends on the needs of clients.
Yeah, and in my hand there's another camera, and I noticed that there's a second cover in this camera. What is used for?
This is a shutter. This is used to protect the lens.
And how it can work?
When it's powered on with the battery, then it can work. When the power is on, and then the shutter will be open. When the power is off, the shutter will be off.
Could you please show us how to do this?
Of course. So see, this is how it works. So when it's off, and then the shutter will be closed and to protect the lens.
Let me try it again. That is how it works.
Yeah, exactly.
And I want to ask, is this battery also used for connecting with these 2 cameras?
Yes, so this actually came with the same package. It's used to charge for wireless cameras.
So, some of clients will think that the battery is too heavy and they don't want it. So do we have some other solutions for them?
Of course, we have a model which called HDW 897, which has built-in battery and built-in magnetic base.
Could you please, show that to us?
Of course, I would love to.
Okay.
There you go. This is the one.
Could you please explain that to us, in some way?
Of course. So this one actually has the built-in battery and magnetic base, which is very easy for installation.
How to install that? Could you please show us?
Let me do a demonstration for you.
Okay.
So see, just that easy.
That is pretty easy. I noticed that is that opening button?
Yeah, this is a button for rebooting. You need to press the button for about 3 seconds and until the lights on. You see that?
I see. How many hours can the battery support?
So the discharging time is about 9 hours.
By the way, how about this battery? I even don't know the number.
Okay, so the battery model is AC552. It has discharging time of around 12 hours.
Oh, that is nice. Some of clients want their vehicle working like all over the day.
Yes, okay. So we take that kind of needs into consideration before the design.
Rachel, that is a wonderful demonstration, but I just have one concern. Since you have said this is magnetic base, is that easy to fall down from the vehicle? When the driver they are driving in some road, especially the heavy built vehicle.
You mean the bumpy road?
Yeah.
You don't need to worry about that because our products have the highest anti-vibration level.
Ah, that is nice. So there are 5 camera models.
Yeah.
that is a little too much. Could you please summarize their function in one word?
Well, wow, one word, that's really challenging.
I believe you.
Huge project. Well, actually, our wireless camera have the transmission distance of around 300 meters in open area. Besides, it has a waterproof rating of around IP69K, and the night vision is around 15 meters.
So that basically means our clients can use that in raining days, and even in a dark environment, you can clearly see the objects in our monitor.
Exactly.
Wow. So I still have one more question, please.
Go ahead.
So some of our clients, they want to install the wireless cameras in the forklift, but that is pretty difficult to install because the irregular size of those vehicles. Could you please tell us, do we have some other solutions for those kind of vehicle?
Absolutely. We actually designed it a forklift special use cameras, which we will show you later.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Rachel, this is a forklift camera that you are going to show us.
Yes, exactly.
May I know this camera model number?
Yes, sure. So the number is HDW814.
Okay. I have one more question. How these cameras stuck with this forklift?
Well, it has magnetic base.
And how about this LED light?
Well, because as we all know that the forklift is, especially the fork part, is usually applied to dark environment, so the lights can light up the surroundings.
Oh, I see. I also noticed that this forklift camera have already connected with the battery, right?
Yeah, it just works as the same like the other wireless cameras I showed you before. The battery has like a literally discharging time of 17.5 hours.
Wow, that is nice. We also know that in the wireless kit there is also the monitor. Yeah. Could you please show the camera image in the monitor? I want to see that.
Sure.
Okay.
Let's go ahead.
Yeah. Rachel, that operation about the forklift camera is very detailed. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, regarding to this monitor, could you please, there are so many functions. Could you please, explain that to us?
Of course, I would love to. So let's go to the camera and show more details to our clients.
Yeah. Okay.
So first, let's check the camera viewing mode. It's actually quad view, so it can display 4 cameras at the same time. If you want to see the details, just double click, just click it, and then the camera details will be shown.
And how about these icons? There are so a lot.
Okay, I will try to explain some of it. So this one is about the division mode. You can choose different division mode based on your own needs. And this one is for recording, and this one is for playback of recording. Since there is no SD cards inside of the monitor, so it cannot be.
Where is the slot? I mean the SD card slot.
Let me show you. There you go. This one.
Okay. I see. And how about the setup interface?
This is a setting for a lot of functions.
Okay.
So like, for example, the parking line, when you wanted to park or just reverse a car, then you can use this line for reversing.
Ah, okay. And how about this auto scan interface? Auto scan function?
Well, it's usually like for clients who apply these products in agricultural area. It's kind of tiresome to keep looking at.
You mean they want to look at different places for 10 seconds, 20 seconds? Is that the way?
Exactly. Thank you so much for the help. You're way much better than me.
No, you're welcome. Okay, I understand that. Thank you for your briefly introduction. I mean, our clients can explore more function offline. But before that, I have one question, just simple. Is this monitor's model and the screen size?
Well, this model is called HDW295. It's 10.1 inch in size.
Oh, that is pretty large. I mean, maybe too large for some of our clients. Do you have some other choices?
Yes, considering that, we also designed other two models which are 7 inches. So this one is called HDW127, which supports 4 cameras inputs. It has recording functions.
How about this one?
This one is the same. It supports 4 cameras inputs and has quadruple view mode. It is waterproof, but does not have a recording function.
Yeah, let's show that. Let's show that in this way, so our clients can compare that more clearly. See, the screen size is pretty. The difference is pretty large.
Yeah, so custom can get the one that can meet their standards.
Yeah, totally.
By the way, all the cameras can work with those monitors displayed here.
That is nice. So after this presentation, I'm sure you have a briefly, understanding of this wireless kit. So if you're interested to purchase, to learn more about our product, you can contact us via the email or just visit us on the official website. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time. Bye bye.